Did you know you can tell a whole story without saying a single word? Yep, great actors don't just talk, they show emotions with their faces. And today, I'm going to teach you how to do it like a pro. So get ready, because we're about to make some wild faces. Why are facial expressions important? Imagine this. Someone says, "I just won $1 million," but their face looks totally bored. Huh? That doesn't make sense. Now, imagine they say, "I just stepped in a puddle," but they look super excited. Weird, right? Your face has to match your feelings so people believe what you're acting. Let's practice some fun faces. Okay, time to train your face. Try making these expressions with me. 1. Surprised face. Eyes wide, mouth open, like you just saw a giant purple giraffe in your kitchen. 2. Super angry face. Eyebrows down, lips tight, like someone just stole your pizza. 3. Sad puppy face. Big sad eyes, pouty lips like you just dropped your ice cream. 4. Happy dance face. Big smile, eyes shining, like you just got a puppy and free candy. The mirror challenge. It's better to practice opposite a partner, but a mirror will do if you don't have one. Try this. Think of a word like banana. Now say it angry, now sad, now super excited. See how your face changes? That's acting. Time for an acting challenge. Let's play a game. I'll give you an emotion and you try making that face right now. Ready? Look super excited. Now super confused. Now pretend you just saw a ghost. Now tell me in the comments, which face was the funniest? And don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe for more acting fun. That's it for today, superstar actors. Keep practicing those faces and I'll see you next time. Bye.